In this short video, we're going to show how to allow disarming during a certain time slot only and certain advanced areas options of SPC. These options are designed to protect the premises and the employees of the premises from having continuous access to an area such as a stock room or a vault or an ATM. And the logic can be reused in multiple different circumstances. Accessing the SPC web page, we select configuration. In order to access the advanced area functionality, you must configure your system to be unrestricted. All other options are selectable. When you add an area, you have to select one of the advanced area types in order to see these options. The other area types are more simplistic views. Now, when we add this advanced area, it will have all the same settings as the other areas, but it will have additional functionality also. And as we scroll down to the functionality, we will see these options called schedule, which if we have a calendar will be selectable, and this option called timed locked. Now, when this is enabled, it will mean that we will only be able to access this area during the time slot period. So next we will configure a calendar to define our working day. We will allow on-setting after 9 o'clock, and we will deny setting over the lunch break, and then again deny it at the end of the working day. And we'll set that up for Monday to Friday, and then on the weekend we will only allow on-setting during a limited period of the day. So I'll just save that and then copy that to all days. And I'm just going to remove the evening slots just to keep things simple. Now we have the calendar created. We're going to assign that calendar to the schedule. And that's it. We are now configured. When this is saved, you will only be able to unset or set the area during the allowed calendar time. So we exit full engineer mode. And I full set. And I'm now blocked from the system from unsetting the system because the system was meant to be set during this time. I'm now going to go to the clock and to alter the time. If a user accesses this on the SPC K5 or the SPC K6, what they will see is a little lock symbol beside the area, informing them that this area has been locked. For demonstration, I'm going to go and change the date. And I'm going to set the date and time to be within the range that we're allowed to arm and disarm within. And now we can unset and set the system as per normal. Just before we finish off this video, there's two additional options I'd just like to make you aware of within the system. Again, just to improve functionality and security within the system and help protect staff. And what these two options are designed to do is to limit when it can be onset. So if you select that full set option, what it will mean will be that when the time approaches the 5 o'clock or the set period, the system will automatically arm. So if someone walks away and leaves a stockroom unarmed, it will rearm at the end of the period. And vault access, again, is quite a useful one. What it will do is will mean that you will only be able to access it for a very finite amount of time. So it's mainly used for vaults to only guarantee access at specific intervals. But it can be also used for more common functionality if you want to protect people's access to certain rooms. So in summary, you can use the calendars to limit when people can arm and disarm certain specific areas in the SPC system. And you can also configure this to automatically rearm the areas if you wish. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.